Welcome everybody to SK Lifestyle. If you're not already, become an SK Lifestyler, hit that subscribe button down below. So this is gonna be a pretty quick video. My wife made something really cool. She saw this on the internet, which is just a little candy cane with a light at the top. And I just wanted to go over quickly how you can make one of these and really cheaply. This is just made out of a pool noodle, an all white one of course. All of this stuff is from the dollar store. So really, this is gonna end up costing you about $5 to make. That's pretty cool. And I'll show you right at the end a quick picture of them outside and how they look and everything. Should be pretty cool. So we got some red tape here. Again, just $1 from the dollar store. We have some other special tape. Now, if you wanna save some money, you can also just use some gift wrap at the tops. Now, the bulb I have in my hand is a little different. You can see this one. This is actually like a little plastic bulb, and we have a special light device, which is just 2 batteries and then a string of a little bit of lights. So what she did was she took the glass bulb and a glue gun, and she glue gunned the lights on the inside, and you could see made a little pocket here, which I'll talk about in a second. And then she took some of these little fuzzy white things that you could buy from the dollar store too. Now stuff like this, you're gonna buy the little fuzzy white things with the red tape, you're gonna use it for everything. It's gonna last for the whole project. So if you make 6 or 10 of these, you only need 1 thing of tape. So you're also saving that way if you make multiples. And if you choose to use the battery pack with the lights, you just simply carve out a little square hole the size of the battery pack. That's it. It'll just sit in there lodged, no problem. You just tuck it in and it's good. From the weather, it'll be fine for the winter. But if you want to save time and energy, she also found these bulbs. And I believe, you see that? So this is $1 just for this, rather than buying the bulb and the set of lights. So that's saving $1 right there. And you're saving time because you don't need to carve out this little crevice place for the battery box. The only thing is, I will say, if you hot glue gun this into the top, you're gonna have to just leave it on. And once it dies, I don't know, I guess you're gonna have to take it off, kind of rip it off, and then exchange the battery and then hot glue gun it back. The only other thing that you need beyond the glue gun and those pieces of tape and the pool noodle is just something to hold it in the ground with. So, you know, you see these at like Home Depot or something, they cost like $1 or $2. This might be the most expensive thing you get if you get this one. Or if you didn't know, they sell brooms at the dollar store for $1. Well, now $1.25, right? But anyway, so you can buy these for $1. You just unscrew the broom handle. There you go. Take a little mallet, make a hole in the ground with a, you know, another kind of spike or something. Or if it's, you know, warm enough still, you can just drive this right into the ground. This goes on the ground, and then this goes right on top. Because remember, it's a pool noodle, so it already has the hole in the middle. This thing is really cool. I really just thought this would be a cool video, something to show you all out there, you know, what you could do in your own time if you want to DIY with your family, your kids, your friends, whatever, and kind of spice up the front yard look or something, or maybe even on the inside. These will work great on the inside too. And with that said, it's time to go outside and see how they look, put them to the test. You let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Now, yes, I'm out here with my Adidas, no socks, but I wanted to wait for the morning. It is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everybody. But as you can see, these look wonderful. And yes, I wanted to wait till morning so we had the nice white Christmas look. But you can see what they look like, just kind of hanging out. And they are still bright. I had them on overnight and they work out just pretty well. And you can see here, you can just use any kind of pole you want. These dollar broomsticks work well. Yeah, look at the angel, the deer. Oh, what a white Christmas. Gotta love it. SK Lifestyle. Be sure to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, s.k_lifestyle. With that said, see y'all later.